First video, I'm going to show you a problem fix with the Hustler Surfer Pro. My issue was it wasn't starting. When you turn the key, it doesn't start. But let me show you something. Took it to the dealer and he showed me where the fix was. Under here, the safety switch. It's got to be touching back here. Where the little knob comes out, it's got to be touching back here. Let me show you. What happened was this cotter pin slid over and started chewing it, and it wasn't making connection. So when I was driving, it would shut itself off and the PTO would cut off. Just make sure this safety switch is tightened up and pushed all the way down, and you shouldn't have any further problems.